So look at this world government bond inverted yield curves. Now, I've been tracking this for so many years. This is the first time that I've seen it this inverted. 26 countries, including the US and the UK and all of the major entities. And so here are some that are partially inverted, but remember, typically, once they start, and here's some that are just at the beginning stages, all right? So this is basically the whole world is inverting their yield, almost. The whole world's yield curves are inverting at the same time. This is the 210 spread that I've talked about many, many times. These gray bars are official recessions. So wherever you see like this gray bar, now this is 1980, right? So when Nixon took us off the gold standard officially, fully, 1971. So this whole period was about going into this new debt-based system. And you can see every time the yield curve, we could go back even earlier than this, but every time the yield curve inverts, a recession follows. This was almost an inversion, and you can see the recession. But look at this. Here we are, December 2022, and there's zero. We have the yield curve going back to the 80s. So you might, if you're listening to the talking heads on TV, they always are talking about going back to the 70s, going back to 33, going back to the 80s. What they never really talk about, but you need to be aware of, is that that's when the whole system shifted. Economically, socially, and financially. Where are we now? Yeah, we're entering a shift. Well, we're already in the middle of that shift, socially, economically, and financially. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.